to find you. Now that you're here, I can remind you.
Hey y'all, it's Kiki and this is Clickshaven. Let's get right into how I did feed-in braids on my locks. I am starting on freshly washed hair and I wanted to ensure that I moisturize my hair, so I am oiling my scalp prior to starting this protective style. It will always be my color and my length for me, okay? I am blow drying my hair to get it as dry as I can prior to putting these braids in because I don't want it to be stinky under these braids. If you look closely, you can see that my hair looks freshly twisted in that row, but that's only because I slightly retwisted the first 6 locks to give it that retwisted look. I am beginning my braid by twisting the roots slightly again to ensure they are pulled a little taut and processing the braid as you would normally on any hair. Unfortunately, it was really hard for me to capture the right angle for y'all, but I am braiding as normally as I can in a cornrow. As I get behind my ear, I am going to start adding the Cuban twist hair in to the locks. While completing this style, I learned that it is best to make the sections as small as possible while braiding your locks because you want to ensure that the braiding hair is going to be able to blend over your locks as you progress down the length of the braid. This clip is a better look on how I add the braiding hair underneath my locks while I'm completing the braid in a cornrow style. I'm using my pointer finger and my thumb to grab one side of the Cuban twist hair and then using my other hand to add it to the locks that are already ready to be grabbed on that side. And then I continue my braid. Hopefully I didn't confuse you with that one. For the ends of my hair, I start by adding some oil to the hair, and then I'm going to use a pipe cleaner to curl it. If you ever had braids and you see this towel, you already know what time it is. I'm about to dip my ends into boiling hot water to seal them and make them more movable.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drop. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you done? The man, I don't know no other man.
So I'm actually going to leave the ends in while I go to work because I do have to wear my hair up into a bun. I'll probably have to re-dip again to kind of get the more straighter look and then blow dry it before I head out for the evening. But this is a look I wanted to record with you all to show y'all because this is my first time doing it and I think it actually turned out a lot better than I thought it would. I've learned some things and some tips which I would share as you have seen the video. I would have already shared those things that I learned through voiceover. But yes, this is the final look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are moving on up in the Subby gang. But yeah, catch your girl back here on Thursdays and Mondays. Peace out.